Emeronwu is playing with fire. You see why it is not good to be a gentleman?
Nine.
Joy.
If he steps his leg on that farmland again, just get him arrested. Please, don't descend so low by fighting with him. Everything I brought, that's all.
Before I arrest him, I am going to deal with him with my fists. In fact, I will rearrange his dental formula.
Ngwa eat. And I rearrange his dental formula. Igbu ocho, baby ocho. Arrest him, that's all.
Papa. Papa. Sister Neva is calling you.
Okay.
Yes, Papa, I can hear you.
Hello, my wonderful in-law. We have been trying to reach you since morning. Why haven't you been picking your calls?
Papa, no. Papa, listen, I'm sorry. I know I haven't kept in touch in a while. I have this project I'm doing and it's really taking my time. And I'm also busy at the office. Yes, Papa. It's fine, Papa. It's fine. Papa, how's everyone? How's Mama? How's Ozioma?
They're all fine.
Okay, Papa. Papa, listen, I promise I'll find time to call you so we can talk about a few things privately. Yes, Papa. Okay, I'll give the phone. I'll give the phone to Ndidi now. Papa, I said I'll give the phone to Ndidi now.
Okay. Give her the phone.
All right, fine.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, my beautiful daughter.
Yes, he said he'll call you later so you talk. Yes, sir. Okay, Papa, I have good news for you. Ozioma can come and stay with us as long as she pleases.
That's wonderful.
Yes, Papa. Okay. All right, thank you, sir. Take care of yourself, He needs to go to work. Okay, I'll call you later, Papa. Yes, sir. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
You're such a big liar.
Leave me alone, Joe. You like this.
I have to go to work.
Okay.
See you. All right.
Have a blessed day.
See you. Take care. You want anything?
No.
Ice cream?
Mm-mm.
Nothing?
Mm-mm.
Biscuits?
I'll take care of myself.
Please go away. You're not serious. Bye.
Love you.
Nine, why did you call the call now?
I was not the one that called the call.
So why do you allow them to call the call now?
Hey.
You know I need to talk to her now. I've been missing her too.
Oh, my champ. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm
You're
sorry.
Every call to go call.
My baby,
Drop
baby.
him. Don't touch me.
Mama. Ikago, you're an old woman. Stop behaving like Umabo.
It was young.
Don't mind that fool. Let me tell you something. To me, you are still as young and fresh and succulent. Like a 16-year-old. Sweet 16. Don't mind the fool.
Thank you, my husband.
Welcome. Yeah.
So what did Ndidi say?
She said she has discussed with her husband and have concluded that Ozioma is free to come to the city. Anytime, any day.
Hey!
But that we should call to inform them at least a day before she leaves the village.
Nah, this is good news. This is the best news. Ozioma will be so happy to hear this. Hey! God bless Ndidi for me. Chineke bunibelo mu Ndidi enu. God bless her for me. Hell!
But you have to talk to your daughter. Caution her properly. I don't want to hear stories.
Nah, he doesn't like stories now. Okay. Ozioma has changed. Haven't you noticed?
Changed indeed. Uzoma has changed. Okay, now where is she? Is she not supposed to be in the house at this time? She has changed.
Nai. I sent her to collect something for me from the women leader. Uzioma has changed. Trust me on this.
Okay. Let me believe you. Let me just believe you. Meanwhile, I need more water here.
Ikemba!
Mama!
So good be able to tell me. Bring drinking water for us.
Mama.
Bring water for my father.
See, I heard everything. Mama, I heard everything you said. So, Mama, you have made arrangement for Ozioma to move to the city and leave me here in the village, Akwaya. So I'm the one who is good enough to stay in this village. Mama? Okay, no problem.
I'm going to get new water. No fear.
Nai. Biko. Talk to Kemba. One kwanya o. Ma kwa kwa isi o. Ma ko sakwa brain.
Is he not your son? No, kill him if you like. You couldn't check I'm the law about Naro. Yeah?
I told you.
Neva.
Egoboma, what is it now? Why did you suddenly change your mind? Why don't you want to marry my brother?
I would have loved to, but I don't want to face the troubles of my cousin brother Jerry.
Egoboma, just listen to yourself. My cousin brother, not even your blood brother, cousin. Eh? You're old enough to make decisions for yourself. He has no right whatsoever to tell you whom to marry or who not to marry.
He's not just my immediate brother that I know, but he's close to me more than my blood brothers. So I have to listen to him in case if trouble comes. He's the only person that I can run to.
Nne, but I want to ask you one question. Do you truly love my brother from your heart?
Yes, I do.
Then you have to marry him. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. I don't want you to regret and make it a sad, I know. See, forget about Jerry. I will handle him. There's even secrets I want to tell you. I'm telling you because I love you. I'm not supposed to say this to you. You know my sister's husband that lives in the city. You know he's very rich. He wants to send my brother Ikemba to abroad. Yes, so Ikemba might be going to China, Malay, London. I don't know. Koje Boutique. He's going there to make money. And you know what will happen? When he comes back with so much money, Ike Pentecost, he will just marry you. He will take you to America, London, anywhere you desire in this world. Yeah, a prayer point in mad. I don't want you to miss it.
As far as you can convince Jerry, I don't have any problem.
I will convince him.
I will not break up with him again.
Hey, the question.
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, don't worry about Jerry. I'll handle him. Let me the truth, since you told my brother you're no longer interested, he's been so heartbroken. He hardly eats. If you're Tachagar, let me call him. I know he'll be very happy to speak with you. Let me tell him that his wife is here. Munyani, our own. Our own. Hello, brother. I'm laughing, oh. Hold on. I'm with our wife, Egoboma. Trust me now. Hold on for her. Hold on for her.
Hello.
My love.
How are you? I'm missing you.
Oh my God.
What are we saying?
Oh. Ow. Ow.
I love you.
Away. Iye bara baba go. Boro.
Hey. Carol. Caroline.
Wait, who gave this one the account?
Carol, this is my salary. I can give it to you if you can comply to my terms and conditions.
Ha! Adam, my love. You know I love you since. I dey give you yes. I dey give you believe. No one notice me at all. That's by the way. Tell me what is your terms and conditions?
Okay. You will come to my room.
Okay.
Then after having good time together, you go with this money.
Just like that. Yeah. Are you sure you give me this money?
Trust me, I will. Okay? But we will do it this way. Once you come to my room and undress yourself, I will give you this money to hold. Then obviously, you go with the money. All of them. Is that clear?
Yes. See, as from today, I go to call you Adela.
No. You will be calling me honey.
Honey? Okay, Claire. Claire. So, let me go inside now. I'll come back. So when am I coming?
You can come immediately. Let's go immediately.
No. I was busy inside. So what will happen is that if I'm done with whatever I'm doing inside, I will call you to come here.
Okay.
Okay, madam, they know this.
But don't waste my time before I change my mind.
No. I will call you soon. If I just call you, just...
Okay. Give me one for the road. A kiss. Hey! Caro! Hey! Hey! Vamos lá.
Then, after you go say be indigent, come on, Zulu was come by, no sabi. I beg.
I beg you, my money. I beg.
How much be your money?
You take it from me. I beg you, my money.
True, reliable.
I beg you, my money.
Excuse me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm looking for Chief Ozurubo's compound.
Okada man, you don't know there?
He doesn't. We've been running around for over 1 hour. He doesn't know the place.
Are you from this village?
Yes, I am. But it's a long story. Let's not go there.
Chief Ozurubo's compound is very inside, like it's inside. So I don't know how to direct you there now.
Sorry, please, do you mind if you join me on the bike and just take me there?
No. As you can see, I'm going somewhere now.
Please.
It's okay, no problem. It pays to help. Let me take you there.
Thank you so much for saving me from this stress. Thank you.
No problem.
You.
Okada, you take this way now.
Much.
Wow.
everywhere looking so morning.
Today is Nkwo.
What is Nkwo and what happens on that day?
Nkwo is a special day in this village. Anybody you find at home today is not a farmer. Yes.
So could it be that everyone has gone to the farm?
That is what it is. Ozuribo's family is made of farmers. Typical farmers. The last Iriji festival was won by Mike Ozuribo. Sejubo where Malawa.
Wow.
Yes.
Mike Ozuribo is my father.
Wait. Are you that his daughter that traveled when she was tender?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God! Come on! Oh, you're welcome,
Thank you.
Welcome to your father's land, You're welcome.
So,
Wow.
when are they coming back?
Before 4 or 5. Yes, I guess.
So
Before 4 or 5.
are you saying I'm going to sit down here alone till that time?
You don't need to worry yourself. I am here to keep you company.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
I really do appreciate
Oh, you don't need to worry yourself, okay?
You're such a nice man.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, sit down. Just, brother, you sit down. You're welcome, So, how was your trip?
Just like that.
You shall be just like that. What's you want again? They go.
Carol, you don't forget saying my salary I give you. I beg, find me something. I make a whole body.
Find you waiting from this morning. When you dey knock am, I dey beg you make take am easy. You take am easy for.
I know say I know take am easy. Even if na 5K, make you give me a beg.
They go. If you get another money, come back. Might give you around. They go. That will come back. They go.
I beg.
They go.
Make I feel trouble. Because I beg. Okay, give me 1, 2.
Oh, nah.
1, 2.
I say you should go, madam.
1, go. Okay, 1,000.
Adam, go. Go.
Caroline.
Yeah. Have you been paid?
No, sir.
I said, have you been paid your monthly salary?
No, sir.
Adam didn't give you any money?
No, sir, I didn't give me any money.
Where's Adam?
He's outside.
Call him for me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Get up.
Oh, Carol, what is it? What a dream. What a dream. Carol, I nearly killed you in my dream. Oh, I am not kidding, you are too sweet. Oga, they call me. I hope all is well.
If you reach there, you ask them, make they go.
Carol, tell me, please. You know you're my baby.
Who? Me, your baby? I'm not your baby.
Huh? You see the do guy for me? Hey! Women will never change. Please now,
Tell me what is happening so that I will know how to prepare myself when I go there.
Adam, I beg. No, they ask me stupid questions. Let's put the guy, I beg. Oga is waiting. If you reach there, you ask him.
Wait for me now.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Did you give her the money I asked you to give her yesterday?
Yes, I did. I gave her the money. Karu, did I not give you 40,000 naira yesterday?
Wait, that money, was it my salary?
No, it was a pension.
Excuse me, did you give her the money, her monthly salary?
I did. I gave her the money complete. No for 1 naira. 40,000.
Is that true?
Yes, sir. He gave me.
So why were you telling lies?
You want to put the young man into trouble?
No, sir. I never knew it was my salary.
Sir, can you imagine that statement? She never knew it was a salary. This is how they behave. Village people. Now, don't you forget here now, Subu. Look at my charge. Look at my armpit. No single hair here.
Okay.
Look at you.
That'll be all for now. Get out.
Is there both of us should get out? Look at you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir. Eh? Who are you that I'll give you 40,000 naira? When you get you want it?
Where did I get this guy?
You see this the way you do? My God will punish you. You are very wicked. You slept with me with my own money. You're not a good person.
Thank you, Caro. Caro, I thought you said you are wise. Now where is your wisdom? Where did you keep your wisdom? Caro, you stood before me and said I would never see your nakedness. Maka.
You see this the way you do me? Person go do them to your sisters.
That prayer no go work. All my sisters, they don't marry. Some don't even born 7 children. You no go work.
Okay.
You no go work.
You go marry and you never born. Don't worry. Your wife go born girl and person go do them to your baby girl. You see this thing? Hey Adam, you are very wicked. See, you have become my worst enemy and I will poison you in this house and you will die.
You poison me?
Yes.
Yo, Caro, please now, Please, poison me this evening. Poison me this evening so that I will die and rest. I don't to suffer. You think I'll be afraid of your poison me, let me die. Who's afraid of you?
You are very stupid. You are very stupid and selfish. You're wicked. Idiot.
Idiot. Now, Caro, swear, say that thing we will do. Say you know sweet, say you know enjoy him. Because I could see the way you were screaming my name. Oh, Adam, you were raising your legs up, telling me, Adam, touch here. Raise my 2 legs. Oh, you were busy opening some branches for me to enter, telling me, touch here. Mbule female figure some bomb. You just bomb time I room name. Now go early.
Waiting when no reach 1 minute. Waiting when no reach 1 minute. Then they talk. But you know what? I'm not going to poison you because I know one go jail. But this house, me and you, I know what to do.
Caro, you won't do anything. The fact remains that I have dribbled you. So come out for road, make I dribble another person. I
know what to do. Me and you in this house.
But next time if you see me counting money, it's all room. Next time, Caro, if you see me counting money, huge amount of money, don't disappear. Because I'll still eat you with the salary. I know of you.
Hey! Up, what's your mom? Up, you know that way. Maroon and apple go.
Remember what I told you. Go to the city and make us proud. Please, love your sister. Biko.
Uzioma.
Make your father proud.
I will.
Uzioma, remember everything we told you. I pray for success.
Amen.
I pray for your journey mercy.
Amen.
God will help you to succeed there.
Amen.
Amen.
Provided you be a good girl.
Amen.
As always, Papa, you know I'm a very good girl.
Hey,
Mama,
So,
don't miss me too much. I have to go.
Mama.
Like I said, I'm Album City material.
Mama, Papa, let me see how.
Okay. Okay, Mama,
Ikemba.
don't miss me too much. Oh?
I will try.
Papa, take care.
I'll try.
Bye, Papa.
Alright.
I'm going with her.
Bye bye.
See the two of you. Let's see.
You know that way. Ta-ta. Marona nyapugo.
Bye-bye.
Hey. You started demanding for sex. Mama,
You bring that.
Hey. Sister, so this is where you live?
This is where we're managing.
Biko, how can you call this magnificent edifice managing? Oh, maybe it's when you now go to White House. That is when you know it's not managing. You know how beautiful. This place is like heaven on earth. Oh. Okay, so you call this one managing. Where will you now call managing? Hey! Maybe you go one on. Hey!
You know?
This is where I'll be chilling.
You know?
Because I want to chill with the big girl.
Alright, come, let's go in there so I can show you to your room.
Sister Biko, why you go where? Come around and borrow when Christmas. Let me look around and appreciate the wonderful thing God has done for my beautiful sister. It's not easy. Not easy. I have been a mansion. Oh my God, this place is so beautiful. My flower, everything. My flower, everything. Hey! If it was a space, if I had a football. Hey! God! My sister, I'm so happy for you. So this is where you live with your husband, alone.
Yes, so.
Charge a phone on Anka. And you want to say Anka. Anka. Oh God. Enjoyment.
Okay.
The place is beautiful. The place is amazing.
Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you.
Sister, look at where your gate man dropped my bag. Oh, my God, one name, madam.
It's okay. Don't worry.
You should have taken it inside now. Why is this stressing me?
Go. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, Kwabe, my sister. Hey. I was even shouting. I didn't know no one knows what corners. So there's another building here.
Yeah, this one is the boss corner. But it's mainly for our guests. Whenever we have a guest, they stay here.
Hey! Oh, when the Diego. Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. This place is so big. The place is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey! They go to towns, they go to no, everything rails. Here, never go to classy. What is it? I want to be sure. This house, are you on rent or you guys bought or built it? I want to know.
My husband actually bought it. He bought it 3 weeks after our wedding.
With you? Are you serious? I'm not even aware. When I just simple like this, when the landlady, I have to add my swag. My sister, I'm so happy for you. Look at the chair in your sitting room. Look at the lights everywhere. In fact, hey, doing at Weber. Is he active now?
Do you know what? My husband actually imported everything from Italy.
Italo? Ne, you're blessed.
Thank you.
No, you're blessing. Even the blind can see it.
Yes, so.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy
You know
for
what?
you.
One day, you're going to be in a bigger house than this. In your own husband's house.
Amen.
Amen.
Hey, sister, better very relevant. So for better because the man needs to be rich so he can be able to take care of me.
Hey. Thank God for Johnny Mercy. Thank God. Yo, mom. So, have you seen your sister? Ewo, you're in your room already. That's good news. Hey, Ozzy, the city girl. Yeah. Thank God. Your father is here. Talk with him, oh?
Hello, Ozoma. How are you? Okay. Okay, you arrived safely. Yeah? Okay, thank God, eh? Yes, because ever since you left, I've not, my mind has not been at rest. But please, stay well with your sister and her husband. Do you understand what I'm saying? Good. Stay well with them. I don't want to hear stories or complaints of any sort. Okay. Okay.
Ozim, Ngwano, let me allow you to rest, oh? Look for something and eat. You know, go? Ngwano. Bye-bye. Hey! God, I thank you for Johnny Mercy. Thank you.
Listen. Well, she has arrived there, but like I told her, she has to be careful. Thank God she arrived safely, but...
No.
It's okay.
It's okay, we are done with that. Because I want to rush to the parish. Yes, we have committee meeting today. Let me go and prepare.
When are you coming back?
Iwa. Ogenekwa. Why are you asking me?
Uh-huh.
What am I doing for you? Or do you want to suck breast?
Are they not my breasts? No, are they no longer my breasts?
Oh.
Listen, you are my wife, and I have every right to stop you from attending that meeting. Yes. If I say you won't attend it, you are not going to attend it. No talk of going to the parish.
Fine. Ngwa, try it. No, try it. Let me report you to Reverend Father Collins. Ngwa, go there.
Reverend Father Collins is not a married man. Yes. And he has no right to tell me what to do with my wife. He can never do that. If you want to have a taste of it, let him go and get married. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Listen, I'm only allowing you to go because I have the fear of God in me. But make sure you don't stay there beyond 6:30 p.m. That's all.
Yes, sir. You go see go.
Committee. What will that committee? If I name maybe in a church, things continue to degenerate in the house of God. Every day, committee this, committee that. Yeah? If I name maybe up and down, left, right, and center. Now go ahead.
See, as I am talking to you right now, I mean, as I am speaking to you, Ozioma, my sister, is on her way to the city. And I believe by now, she might have reached my sister's house.
Eh?
Yes.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah! 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 At least there will be no more fight again. I'm tired of fighting in this community.
Are you sure the fight is over?
Believe me when I say that I don't fight anymore. I am not a gentleman. Sometimes it's my sister that is making me to fight. And there is no way I will be in this community and allow my fellow gang to intimidate her. You know it will not work.
Come. What are you doing with this person? Egoma, what are you doing with this Efulefu? This idiot?
Yeah, Tom and Jerry. Don't you ever call me an idiot again. Don't!
Ikemba.
Is there anybody you are talking to behind your Akoma? Are you mad? If I do, what will happen?
Ikemba, don't talk to my cousin brother like that. Eh? Don't exchange words with my cousin brother. I don't like it.
Why?
Shut up! I said I don't like it. Brother Jerry, I can explain. Ikemba and I have come a long way to part ways like that.
Shut up! Shut up, my son. Before I close my two eyes and open them, it's to get back, boy, son. Get out!
Don't fight him. I'll see you later. Yeah. You hear me? I'll see you later.
And you, Dimpa Bini, I'm here for you. I want you to show me the stuff you are made of. I want you to show me who you are.
I just want us to settle in peace because, yeah?
Ogini, are you mad? Eh? Which peace are you talking about?
Jerry, you slapped me.
And I'll do that again.
Jerry, I won't fight you. But if you insist you want to slap me, you can slap as many times as you want to slap. I won't touch you. I love my woman and I respect her words.
I am warning you for the last time. Any day I see you with my cousin sister again, I'll strangle you. You are crazy. Mugu, Dimbabini. Come. Sit down with the voice. Huh? What sort of nonsense is this? You never answer my sister issue.
So, my sister, you're welcome to the city. You're welcome once again.
Sister, you've welcomed me. And this is what you're saying, you're welcome to the city as if it's my first time. It's not my first time in the city now. It's not my first time now. I'm Abiaribu City, Abiaribu. Have you forgotten that I used to live with Uncle Fine at Okpoko in Onitsha? Oh, when city carried Okpoko. I've been to Okpoko, I've been to Awad, I've been to Nkpo. Different places, even on a map. Do you understand? It's just that this place, I'm happy because...
You know, there's a difference.
Yes. So that is the thing. It's not like I'm JJC in a town. Okay. I've seen it all. I've seen it all.
Let me call the...
Adam! Caro! Adam!
Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Please go and call Caro for me.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. Where is she?
Are you stupid? My friend, will you go and call Caro for me?
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Caro?
Sister, don't you think you're too nice to these people? He has the guts to ask you, where is she?
My dear, what would I do now? Let me just be managing. I'm just managing them.
It's okay, we are nice people.
It's okay. What? Oh God. Well,
Adam!
Madam.
Caro!
I have fetched Caro. There she is.
What happened? Are you coming from Kafanchan?
No, ma. I was cleaning the toilet upstairs.
And you didn't hear me call you?
No, ma.
Okay. This is my sister. She just arrived. Huh? Ozoma, this is Adam. You know him already. He's the gate man. And this is Caro. She's the house help and the cook.
Welcome, ma.
You're welcome, my dear. Madam, this is exactly who I saw in my dream. I'm not surprised at all. Look at her. You know.
You saw what in your dream? Are you okay? I'm still talking and you are dreaming. Now listen very carefully. You see my sister here? You must accord her maximum respect. If you want to keep your job, I don't want to hear any complaint at all. In fact, she's the second madam in this house. Have you heard me?
Yes.
Have you both heard me?
Yes, ma.
Sister, you've spoken well. Thank you so much for the honor and privilege. Especially this one. You see this one? This one lacks manners and respect. Do you know this stupid boy foolishly dropped my bag here? Abawanne madam. I used to not opogina brain. You had the nerve to drop it here. Instead of you to respectfully ask your madam, where should I drop this bag? You take it inside. Now, Abia, you want to stress me. No, my sister. And you dropped it here and left like that. I don't like it, oh. And the next thing when you introduce me to them, say, my dear, onyebu your dear ina iyala. Adamumu, onyebu your dear. Don't refer to me as your dear next time. Inania. And you, you won't take the whole day to clean the toilet. You're not that lazy. I don't know if you're stupid or foolish, man. Meeting.
Okay, yes, ma. Oh, welcome, ma, once again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, ma. Please, point of correction. My name is not Adamu. My name is Adam.
Adamu.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, come back. Chill. Adam! Adam! Boy, am I right? Boy, am I
Don't worry. You know you just...
No, this is not the hand. Iman Diaka wanted your respect. He's a landlady for crying out loud. Call that boy and slap him.
It's fine.
There is no place like home.
Oh yes. So says the monkey. Yeah.
The last time I checked, monkeys don't talk.
But men predict their words from their gesture. And truly, it was.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Let me believe you.
Oh yes.
I really miss a lot. Just look at the gentle looking vegetations.
Oh yes.
The fresh air. What about the natural food? From the farm to the pots. No preservative chemicals. You guys are really enjoying.
I don't understand. Do you want me to lose interest of traveling to the city? I mean, why are you hyping the village as if people in the city doesn't eat natural food?
Yeah? Of course not. For example, you cook with natural firewood, okay, but you cook with refined gas in the city. It is a great experience to live in the city because you will make a lot of money there. And the only reason people migrate from the village to the urban settings is because there are lots of opportunities there. You will love the city if you visit, you know.
There's something.
Ow!
Sorry.
Ow!
Sorry.
Don't blame.
I need to remove it and make it look good.
Oh. Good evening. Who is he?
Oh, baby, don't mind. He's one of these village towns. Doesn't have this. The only thing all men at village are we say, that's all. Well, it's in a mother. Yeah?
He's so rude.
Of course, he's rude. Just imagine. Yeah?
Let me give you a
Oh my God. Oh, baby, you're killing me. Someone is jealous.
Ndubisi. Nya. Moki nechalanya. Na catch cruise with Nwagwai where you guys were standing. You looked at me and you're making mockery of me, Ndubisi. Ndubisi, you called me names. Ndubisi, you called me a tout. Because of that, Ndubisi, I will tie you out in this town.
Onya ga-emele ebere ka a ga-emere ebere. Together? What? You don't touch me! Hey! You don't touch me! Get up! You don't touch me! No! So, nya! No! Hey! You don't touch me! Hey! No, you touched me! You have the guts to touch me, right?
Ozoma, I was going to say you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
We're happy to see you. And we are very excited you have come to spend some time with us. So I want you to feel free. This house also belongs to you. Eat whatever you like. Drink whatever you like. There's always food in the kitchen. You can also go out, but please, don't stay out late. Don't stay out too late, actually. Yeah.
Yes, staying out late is not allowed in this house. At least by 7:30 p.m. you should be home because by 8 p.m. the gate is locked.
Sister, you're talking as if you don't know your kid sister again. Do I stay out late? See my in-law. I'm a very reserved woman. Even in our village, sister, you can even ask Mama. I hardly go out because I rarely keep friends, let alone staying out late. That one is not a problem. I'll keep to it. And once again, my in-law, thank you so much for your warm reception.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh?
You're welcome. And we actually believe you. We're just trying to be careful. It's just that the neighborhood gets a little bit lonely and they lock the estate gate very early. So that's why we're telling you to.
It's not a problem. We'll be careful together.
So that's it. Enough of that. How's the village? What's happening?
Village. The village is not good.
What happened?
If you see the rate of rape crime they commit in that village on daily basis is alarming.
Rape?
I'm telling you the truth.
What?
That place is no longer safe for a girl child. At all.
That's a shame. But tell me, what is the Igwe doing?
He's scared. He cannot even say anything about this thing. These boys are deadly. They are called the Scorpion Boys. Very deadly.
That's terrible. I mean, the Igwe should get the police involved. That way, the culprits would be apprehended and made to face the law.
It's not easy. It's not that easy. Do you know the other day, they went to Mazi Azowa's house, raped his daughter in his presence. He couldn't do anything. No. He was just there shouting, Chai, Chinekeme, Chinekeme. When they were done, they left. Nobody scratched them. They are that budget. They are that powerful.
Babe, to think that village used to be very peaceful.
Yes. Mbewa. That was then, not now anymore. The place is not safe for a girl child. See, they were not able to rape me because of my kind of person. Sister now. Now I make her go pia. I know how I strategize my movement. You know I'm a very smart girl now.
That's why you have to be very careful, huh?
Yes, so.
Very careful. I'm very disappointed. Wow, really?
That's not a good thing.
Wow.
It's not.
Ikemba,
Yes, ma'am.
you made me proud yesterday. I thought you were never a gentleman, but yesterday, you made me proud.
My love, what are you talking about? I don't understand. What are you saying?
I saw everything with my eyes.
I still do not understand. What did you witness? Or are you trying to pull my legs as usual?
I saw my cousin brother Jerry when he gave you a hot slap. I heard the sound from where I was. I waited patiently for you to retaliate because I have given to you that you will fight him. But you proved me wrong.
My love, I thought you were gone.
No, I didn't go. I was afraid that you'll fight him. So I decided to wait somewhere.
But I didn't notice you.
I heard everything. That you're not fighting because of the respect and love that you have for me. Ikemba, thank you so much. From today, I've given myself to you.
My love, our relationship will be the highest in this village, and it will be envied by all if only your cousin brother Jerry will allow us to date in peace.
Don't worry about Jerry. I have made up my mind not to listen to him again. Okay?
My love, I am short of words. I love you now and always.
If you don't know what to say, just look at me and say that you love me.
I love you. I love you in a million times. And I will always spend the rest of my life with you.
And I love you too.
Why will Madame give her sister such right? Me, I will not respect her. Never. Never.
Just get ready to quit your job. For your information, we now have 2 madams in this house.
No. No, what we have here is still one madam. Simple. That's for me. I don't know about you.
Why am I even standing here talking to you? I thought I asked you not to talk to me again.
Carol, are you still angry with me? Are you?
No, I'm happy. In fact, I'm celebrating. I'll go to church tomorrow and give thanksgiving. You tried very, very well. But Ada, I will never forgive you.
Carol, I'm sorry. It was the devil's handwork. I'm sorry.
Devil? Okay. So it was devil that slept with me by trick yesterday.
No, not really. But it was the devil that sent me to do that. Oh, yes. Eh? Carol? Left for me alone, you know I won't try short. And my way, Allah. Hey. How could I call you a quensu? I was on my own, no, the devil lured me to you. Huh? Same there, man. Who am I to say no? Huh? Who am I to say no, Carol? Hey. Come on. Come back here also. So you did not see me? Huh? Yeah, in a semana 200, you did not see me. I'm too small. Huh? Okay. It's obvious you don't know me. Okay?
I don't.
What were you doing with that boy? Ndubisi that I saw you with yesterday.
Oh. What I was doing with Ndubisi is none of your business. It's my private life.
Oh, you want to say a private life? So you even have private life? Anyway, I am not interfering into your private life or anything. I am trying to save you from Ekwensu. I am trying to save you from him.
Save me from what exactly?
From that Ekwensu. That good-for-nothing boy. That boy you are seeing now is the terrorist in this village. Ndubisi is an armed robber. Ndubisi is Ekwensu. And you are here asking me saving you from what? Ndubisi mecha gyogemegi. When he finishes with you, tomorrow when you see me, you will not ask me who is he or what will he do to me.
I don't see him like that.
Eh? You don't see Ndubisi like that? Hey! If I tell you how many girls he has defied in this village, if you see him, you'll be running.
I don't see me like that.
Eh? Chelo? You don't seem to be like that. Well, I don't blame you. You are just you just came back. You are just a lothered girl. You don't know what is happening in this village. You know your own. You don't even care about what I'm talking about. Ndubisi rapes girls with masquerade. Any day any masquerade attacks you on the road and rape you, a man on Ndubisi. Oh, Tosieme. This news that I'm giving you now is for free. I am not taking 10 kobo from you. If you like, listen to me. Find him and go to their house. I don't see him like that. Look at where I'm even going.
What do we see? Masquerade?
Yes, ma. You told me.
Have you greeted me?
Yes, ma. I greeted you this morning.
Really? So what's the time now?
Afternoon. Good afternoon, ma.
See how stupid you are? You just made a fool of yourself. Take this money, 1,000 naira. I'm craving for beans with ripe plantain. Make sure they give you fish, big fish. So go and be fast.
Ma, this place is a state. There is no way you can see beans and plantain fish here.
Hold on. No. You're trying to tell me now they reborn in this city. There's no place to buy ripe plantain with beans?
Ma, there is, but it's so far. 2 miles from here. So far.
Shut up before you begin to irritate me. Hey, surfer. Because my sister is spoiling you. You have the guts to tell me it's very far. Oh, you have to get out or something. Go and buy me what I asked you. It's very far. If you are even a chores or okay. Are you running charity? Are we not paying you? If I want you to even go to Confronting, you will go. All okay, baby. Nonsense. It's very far. So if it's far, I won't eat for it.
Come and open this gate for me. Let me go. Open this gate now.
This one on your face is like auto crash. What is the problem?
Adam, please. I am not in the mood for this your stupid talk this morning. Just open the gate for me. Let me go.
Wait, so my talk is not stupid, eh? Okay, now, I know you are angry, but if you don't tell me the reason of you being angry, I will not open this gate for security reasons.
Open this gate.
Go police.
I will shout.
Go and call police. I will not open it.
Adam!
Hey! Come here, my friend. Come here. Come here. Adamumu, I'm talking to you. Come here. So why were you keeping her here?
What is it? Any problem?
What do you mean by what is it? I don't get it. I called you and you're saying, hey, what is it? Are you talking to your mates or something? Have you lost your sense of reasoning?
What did I do? I just asked you why you are talking to me like this. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. So go to my room. You will see some dirty clothes on the bed. Okay, you also see my lingeries. They are dirty too. So you can wash the nighties, wash the bra. But for the panties, leave it for me. But please, I don't want you to do that with the washing machine. I want them hand washed. Like, wash them properly. Please be careful with my bra. Whilst washing my bra, be careful with the cup. Oh?
Are you making call or you are talking to someone else?
I'm talking to the gatesman.
No, that means you are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. Wait, did I hear you well? I should go and wash your clothes. Onto what now? Onto get to embassy? Get to run here?
Mumu, are you talking to me?
Why would I talk to you? How dare you telling me to go and wash your clothes? Get to run here? Who does that? Huh? How dare you tell me to go and wash your clothes? Look at this person. Even my madam, my God's wife, has never tried such with me before. Not to talk of a village brother like you.
Stop ranting like Onyala. Stop behaving like a mad person. You see this your position? People are queued in line waiting to take over. And don't forget, this is my sister's house. I have the right to hire and fire any stupid, lousy idiot like you. So if you know what is good for you, go and wash my bra, wash my clothes.
Listen, let me tell you. Never you in your wildest imagination threaten to start making. You don't have the power, you don't have the right. Even my madam, my God's wife, can never even tell me to wash her clothes. Not to talk of village broti. Yeah, when in the village, water. Who are you? Look at someone that I can keep in my house and feed her till eternity, till infinity. You don't stand before me to tell me rubbish. Stop it! When a woman dates her husband, he will make her pregnant to show that strength are not the same. Don't try me. Look at the one Basha, a village protein like you. Look at you. I thought you even came here to...
Are you talking to me?
Thank you.
Now listen and listen attentively. Do not dare me in this house. Do not disrespect yourself in this house.
Now, on your knees.
Hey.
I said on your knees. Say Burana.
I should kneel down.
Of course.
Do you know the full meaning of CSO? Chief Security Officer. Even police, they fear me. Come on,
I say on your knees.
Get us ever bomb. Go.
I said on your knees.
You the Grace? I just discovered that you want me to make a change for you. Huh? Yeah, men have come to get her now. Every time I pray, come now. Men are coming to change it again now. Men are making it now. In a small my knees. Madam, I'm going to even my organ that employed me cannot do it. Men are coming to get her now. I'm on my knees.
It's obvious you're running mad. I won't go through this route with you. I know what to do.
No, Biano now.
No, I know how to treat mad people. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm a madman. I'm going to see madness. You want me to wash your clothes? I was even thinking you came to tell me, let's go inside and behave. Now that everyone has gone out. You know, rubbish. Huh? Come, let me change it for you now. You think I'm Carol? That you're messing up anyhow. Nonsense. Hey! Imagine, Moabu Adam, that's how I get pant again. Panty the rure. I'm a mefino, Yaneno.
My love.
Uzioma.
Yes, baby.
Please, you need to stop calling me that around here. This is an office. People know I am married. Please.
Why do you always like making me feel like a total stranger? Okay, fine, I'm sorry. I won't call you my baby. Maybe I'll call you my love.
What do you
Sugar.
want? What do you want? I'm busy.
I want you. Yes, you, baby. I want you to touch me. Make me feel like a woman as usual.
Uzioma, listen. Please. We need to stop doing this. Okay? We need to stop doing this. If someone sees us, I'm going to lose my job. I'll get fired.
You're right. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. Sorry.
Uzioma, what?
You have absolutely nothing to worry yourself about. I've locked the door.
What is wrong with you? Uzioma, please get out.
No, baby, please.